Alright, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upscale your image. If you look at this image here, it has poor quality. Then if you move across, you can see that this one is the best of the three. So how do you upscale an image that looks so bad like this and make them really sharp and clear in Canva? So that's what we'll be learning, and without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is to bring in our image, and I'm just going to scale this. Okay, you can use an image of your choice just in case you want to practice. I'm going to link this picture in the description so that you can download and practice along. Okay, so we have our picture here, Cristiano Ronaldo. So we're going to come to the app and we're going to search for the upscaler. Okay, just search for image upscaler, and we're going to use this one right here, this one with butterfly with this magnifier icon. So what we can do is to have our image selected, or we can click off and it's going to ask you to choose a file, but we're going to select this one, and it's going to ask you the resolution. Okay, do you want to scale it times 8? This is the highest. Okay, the lowest is times 2 and the highest is times 8. Choose the highest. Okay, and just click on the upscale, and it's going to show you the 2 variation here. You can actually just move this icon, I don't know why, but just click on replace. Okay, if you click on replace, it's going to replace our design here. So what we can do before we click on replace, let's select this one and make a copy, and let's have this one by the side. Okay, and now we can click on replace. Okay, so it's going to replace this one, and you can just tell that this one is way sharper than this. Okay, so that is how you upscale your image. You can use this and just download your image and use for whatever project that you want to use it for. If you want to upscale this one again, let me click off. If you click here now, you say go back. Okay, I say you want to upscale this one to a higher resolution. It's not going to allow you because you already have it at a better quality. So it's just going to give you this times 2, and sometimes you can do this twice. And this time, let's also make a copy of this, and let's see. Okay, and just click on replace. And now you can tell that this one is even better than this one also. Okay, let's zoom all the way in. You can tell you can tell that this one is also better than this one. Let me just slide off this. You can tell that this one is also better, and then this one is the worst. Okay, so that is how you can upscale your image for your design, and this can save you a ton of stress. But the only issue I'm having is the logo. Okay, is the logo, but the rest things are okay, especially the face. Okay, so this is how you can actually upscale your image and use it for your design. I hope you find it helpful, and if this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share with your friends if possible. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.